Imagine getting paid to automate the boring work that businesses absolutely hate doing. Think about tasks like managing emails, generating reports, handling data, posting content, and scheduling appointments. AI can automate all of these repetitive tasks, and you can get paid for setting up these solutions. Today, I'll show you how to start an AI automation side hustle in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to the Bright Mind Show, where we empower beginners to build real online incomes using AI. Let's begin by clarifying what AI automation truly means in today's rapidly evolving digital landscape. AI automation simply means using intelligent tools to perform repetitive tasks automatically, saving businesses valuable time and resources. For example, AI can auto-write emails, generate comprehensive reports, and schedule social media posts with ease. It can also organize files, manage customer leads, and even reply to customer inquiries, streamlining operations significantly. Small businesses particularly love these solutions because they eliminate hours of painful manual work, allowing them to focus on growth. You don't need advanced technical skills to get started. Focus on mastering just 3 beginner-friendly tools. First, there's Zapier, a powerful platform that connects over 8,000 different applications. Zapier allows one action in an app to trigger another, making it super easy to create automated workflows without coding. It's trusted by 3.4 million companies and integrates with over 400 AI tools, proving its widespread utility. Case studies show Zapier helps companies like Toyota of Orlando manage over 30,000 lead records, saving 20-plus hours weekly. Remote, a company, automates over 2,200 days of work each month and solves 28% of tickets automatically using Zapier. Next, we have ChatGPT, an AI chatbot capable of generating text for various purposes. It can write emails, summarize content, craft customer replies, and assist in creating automated workflows, making it incredibly versatile.
Finally, Notion AI, an AI-powered workspace, helps organize information, tasks, and documents.
Notion boasts over 100 million users and is recognized as the #1 knowledge base by G2 for 3 consecutive years. It's used by 62% of Fortune 100 companies and over 50% of Y Combinator companies, demonstrating its enterprise-level adoption. Notion AI agents can handle manual tasks, search across various platforms, and learn user work patterns for enhanced efficiency. Just learning these 3 tools puts you ahead of 99% of beginners in the AI automation space. To begin, focus on simple, high-demand automations that businesses frequently need and are easy to implement. Every business can benefit from auto email replies, lead follow-up messages, and automated social media posting. Additionally, auto-generated invoices and daily or weekly reports are essential for efficient operations. You can set each of these up using simple plug-and-play templates available in Zapier and Notion AI. These automations typically take only 10 to 15 minutes to create, offering quick value to clients. However, business owners are willing to pay between $30 and $150 for each one, recognizing the time savings. You don't need a fancy website or an extensive portfolio to find your first clients. Start by exploring platforms like Facebook groups, Fiverr, and Upwork, which are rich with potential clients. Upwork, for instance, posts thousands of jobs weekly across categories including AI services, development in IT, and marketing. Clients on Upwork only pay after hiring, with service fees ranging from 5% to 10%, ensuring fair transactions. Also consider local small businesses and direct outreach through Instagram DMs. Send a simple, compelling message. I help businesses automate tasks using AI. Can I show you a free 5-minute demo? This direct approach works like magic, often leading to immediate interest and opportunities. When it comes to pricing your services, start with a beginner-friendly structure that offers clear value. Charge $25 to $40 for simple automations, reflecting their quick setup time and immediate benefits. For multi-step workflows, you can charge $50 to $75, acknowledging the increased complexity and impact. Full automation setups, which provide comprehensive solutions, can command $150 to $300. Additionally, offer maintenance packages at $90 to $150 per month for ongoing support and optimization. If you secure just 5 monthly clients, you're already looking at over $500 to $700 per month part-time. And that's how you start an AI automation side hustle in 2026, even if you're a total beginner. If you want more AI side hustles, AI tools, and step-by-step earning guides, make sure you like this video. Comment below what video you want next, and subscribe to The Bright Mind Show for future content. Your support helps this channel grow, and I'll keep dropping real, simple, money-making tutorials for you. Ready for the next video? Just comment yes. Thanks for watching.